Okay, it finished printing the Mat Mires Tarantula. I did it in Overture Fossil, and I meant to do this yellow bit in gold, but it turned out that the AMS said I picked yellow, so it did yellow, but still kind of cool. There we go. Matt said put all the legs on in the correct order, so we'll do that. They all go on in a certain way. This is the body. Look at that. Look at that. Really cool. Let's see here. Let's see this. Okay. Let's see how this fits. I think that's right. Maybe this is front. There we go. And then this one. See, he puts little markers in there to hold things together when they're on the plate, because Matt is amazing. He is good. Let's just do one side and the other. Look at that moving part. He said the middle legs are unique. Okay. Moving right along. Look at that. So cool. To hit it with the torch in a minute, but am I missing? No. Okay. This is using Elegoo Galaxy Black, which just barely didn't run out of on this print. I didn't know that the inside the body infill was in that color. I thought it was going to be solid, the outside color, but the infill was not. But I had enough. I ordered 2 more rolls, of course. So let's get this bad boy standing up. Is that not really cool? Got a tarantula. Totally posable. Look at this. He made the spinneret so that it can hang by a thread, which I'll do for Halloween. But this is really, really cool. And these here are the squid with eyes, plushies from Layers in Green. I'll have to hit this with little hobby knife, but I made them a little bit bigger, but I made it proportionally bigger to match the height of this when it was on the plate. So they're kind of bulky, but this removed about 87 grams of waste. And people can use them as a keychain. They could do whatever they want with them. I'll just throw them into boxes that when I ship, people have things printed, they'll get a free keychain. So that's where that'll go. And that way they can help the recycling process. Cool. Well, that's that. Let me move this aside. Let's get this bad boy right here. Look at that. Let's pose him up. The pedipalps. Tarantula is very much like a jumping spider. I'm not that big of a spider person in the knowledge area, but I do have a few living in the basement in terrariums, so that's pretty cool. This dude almost got you. Hopefully I didn't make you jump. Sorry if I did. Anyway, I had to. More.